Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe and sound the following words together. Before transcribing them, there is need for us to open up the slashes, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. And remember, transcribing words can actually help to improve our memories. Okay, I'm done. The first word here is brain, and it is transcribed like this. Brain. This one is organ, and this is human, and this is memory, and this is sensitive, and this is heart, and this is body. That's it. So let's close them up so we can sound them together. Brain, organ, human, memory, sensitive, part, body. Brain, organ, human, memory, sensitive, part, body. Thank you so much for clicking on watching my video. The Lord bless you. I will see you in my next video. Endeavor to practice transcription. It can actually help to boost our brain memories. Thank you so much. Bye.